3, 2, 1, travel! Hello, greetings from the 321 of Melbourne, Florida. Today we're gonna talk about an item that you could bring in your next trip. These bags are being amazing. I have been using them for lots of my trips, for all my trips. I usually put these bags in my suitcase. They stay there as staples because not only I can bring some wine, because that's what they are for, but I always use it for any fragile material. So if I love to bring olive oil from different countries, and I love to bring some spices, and if you have those little bottles that you can bring things, you can store it in here and put it in your luggage to check in. Remember, we still with the laws of 3 ounces of liquid. I anyway will check luggage, and I will bring some olive oil in the hopes to make it home with me. It is a big chance, but it is a great feeling when you bring something that you know is from a local farmer and you can enjoy it on a Sunday morning, isn't it? Anyway, the first time I discovered this is like 20 years ago. They used to be called wine mummies, like from Egyptian mummies. Now everybody on their body sells this. This one is my last one. I bought it from Mont Rochelle in South Africa, where Richard Branson has a beautiful winery. So I got this one from there, and this I got it online, Vino Skin. So you really can find them anywhere. They're sort of inexpensive, and to me it's been a lifesaver to put anything that is fragile. So it doesn't have to be a bottle, it's just anything you want to bring. So that's my do's. Make sure you pack this in your next trip, and you will be thanking me when you're on a Sunday morning enjoying something delicious that you only find it in that place that you went to enjoy. Goodbye, amigos. Don't forget to subscribe. And now we go to the next